So happy day after the 4th of July to everyone. I'm Andrew with Camper Kingdom, and today we're going to be viewing this 2023 Forest River Wildwood Platinum, model number 33 TS. And if you can't tell by now, it's for triple slide. This coach is a 2-bedroom, and it's got kind of a unique setup in the back bedroom here. We are going to start on the inside of the coach first, but if you're new here, I do welcome you to the channel, and let's get started. So coming at you 38 feet, 9 inches of total length with a dry weight of almost 9,500 pounds is this 2023 Forest River Wildwood model number 33 TS. And that's just a sneak peek at the model. We're going to come in and get you orientated slightly with the RV. And I do apologize for the flickering lights. I have it plugged up to my truck. Let's see if I can get it to... There we go. So let's come in and get you orientated slightly with the RV. We'll start maybe here in the kitchen / living area first, where you're gonna have one of the 3 slides. This is called a universal dinette. This thing can be arranged to a couple of different arrangements. You can change the L-shaped now to just the jackknife sofa, and then changing the booth back to, I guess, the original booth. Your slide box over here is going to be right at 6 feet tall, so be cautious if you're maybe over here trying to stand up and you have additional storage found underneath all of these. Let me pull this open for you. 5 total of these food safe containers on board. Let's give you your view from the L-shaped sofa. So slightly in front of you. I mean, if you're over here, yes, you're going to have to be looking to the left, kind of breaking your neck a little bit, but the overall functionality of it is quite nice. That's your kitchen over here to the right. So your heating on board, you've got 2 different sources. You've got an electric fireplace here that will produce right at 5,000 BTUs of heat, as well as you'll have randomly placed floor vents throughout the floor coming from the 30,000 BTU furnace. That's your Furrion soundbar. And this will be the outline for the TV, if you were to have one installed. So cooling. The air conditioners on board, you've got 2 different ones. This is the Coleman Mach. It is a 15K. The second one is mounted in the bedroom. That is just a 13.5. Your countertops on board is what I call a pressed membrane. It's pretty much just a mold where the wood material is heated and wrapped around the edges. 50-50 split sink with a residential faucet. Some people like and dislike a window being this close to the oven. What do you guys think? Staying true with Furrion brand appliances all the way throughout. You got the microwave and the oven, both Furrion standard RV oven. 12-volt Furrion fridge. The freezer's on the top, and your fridge is located on the bottom. So I feel like we pretty much have covered this area pretty good. I'm also going to include a couple of videos, probably about here, showing you the different arrangements that the universal dinette can be set up in, from possibly laying it all the way flat to even showing you the original arrangement for the booth. I failed to point that out earlier. But making your way all the way to the front, though, stepping inside, you got a custom 66 by 78 king bed. I'm terrible with the zoom and focus. I always seem to forget to bring my GoPro when I'm stepping up to our 45 North office, but when things like this kind of jump out at you with something different that you, my subscribers, have not seen yet, I grab whatever video source I can to show you guys. This is your washer and dryer connections. That can be provided for you here at Camper Kingdom as well. Really big 5th wheel style closet. And here's another pan of the room. You do have a shelf on both sides with 12-volt and 110 outlets provided for you as well. And you do have storage under the bed. This is going to be that second 13.5 air conditioner I was talking about. 13.5, it just produces the air conditioning for this bedroom here. Now let's make our way back to the bathroom. I probably should zoom back out. I do believe that's a 34 by 34 full radius shower. You've got right at a 12-inch step up to get in there. Ceiling height inside of the RV is 6 foot, maybe 8. Your bathroom vanity and medicine cabinet. Plastic foot flush toilet. And here's a view of how much legroom you'll have. Let's take a look at the bedroom in the back. So this is kind of interesting. Stepping inside, to your right, if you're familiar with Wildwood, you notice the universal queen. But look at this. This is cool. I like what they're doing for smaller kids to get them up on top before you normally have a really big entertainment center right here. So with that being said, they now have moved the TV connections all the way up there on the wall. But still, I see improvements that can be made with maybe adding some sort of railing system up here for smaller kids. But I recommend maybe getting yourself a pool noodle, placing it in place here. It kind of creates a little lip, keeping younger toddlers from maybe rolling off the top. Universal queen. This is pretty cool. They've added a chalkboard style paint to the top flip down bunk. Gives your kids something to do. Maybe create a little game up here for them. You're not always going to be outside. Sometimes you are trapped inside. I'll try to include some videos of this right here opened up showing you that queen size bed. Let's look at the price as well as the MSRP. So if you don't mind, go ahead and drop me a couple of thumbs up. Maybe even let me know what you think of this particular model here. But July 5th, 2023, MSRP on this model, maybe I can pause the video there, $63,744.90. Of course, our price can be viewed over at that website found at the link down below. If you don't want to see anything on the outside, again, I greatly would appreciate a couple of thumbs up. But almost 39 feet long, 9,400, almost 9,500 pounds. And I'll try to leave the hitch weight about here in the video. From my experience though, with it having multiple slides plus being almost 40 feet long, I recommend towing it with at least a 3/4 ton. Gas or diesel will work. So this is the Platinum Edition. What the Platinum is, this is the best way to show you right here. So Wildwood is known for its metal siding camper, which is a stick and tin unit. Stick and tin, metal construction with a wooden frame. So what they've done is they come back this year, there we go, and you still have the same construction with a hung fiberglass. So what is your opinion on that? Let me know down below if you've ever dealt with a hung type fiberglass on your RV. That's going to be the exhaust for your 6-gallon gas or electric water heater, the exhaust for your 30,000 BTU furnace, your outdoor speakers. Your awning's probably going to be right at 15 feet in length. You do have the upgraded step above steps. These do flip up and inside of the door of the coach when they're finished. And your door does have a friction hinge. So the coach is going to be stabilized from 2 sets of electric jacks. This is the controls for the front. These will only go down till they feel about maybe 8 to 10 pounds of pressure before they completely cut off. You have a fully enclosed and heated underbelly. Pretty cool camp kitchen. This does swing around. Your grill swings around to the back, mounting to the bumper. Everchill fridge. Metal surface. That's nice for outdoor kitchens because these, honestly guys, they're going to be left open by mistake. It's going to happen, so that prevents rot from happening. You're prepped to receive the ladder. Those can be ordered from Amazon. It's a Lippert component. So all 3 slides are rack and pinion, and you have multiple sewer connections. So if you're setting up your campsite, you're gonna have one back here behind the tire. You have gray and black handle there, and that up there, more than likely, let's get closer. that is going to be coming directly from the washer and dryer connections up inside of the master bedroom. So you notice there's no pull handle on that. If you have the washer and dryer installed, be sure you come outside and take the cap off if you're using it. Don't forget about it. Since there's no pull handle and that cap is being left on, sometimes if your washing machine goes into drain, it then goes back up inside the camper, causing more problems. Hope you guys like what you see. Continue to like and subscribe. Come see us.